Hi, welcome to English Pod Up. My name is Emma. In this lesson, I want to help you understand a very powerful method for learning English. This method is called shadowing. Shadowing is a simple technique. You listen to English and you repeat it at the same time or immediately after you hear it. You try to copy the sound, the rhythm, and the natural flow of the speaker. You do not need to stop and think too much. You do not need to translate every word. You just listen and repeat. At the beginning, it may feel strange. That is normal. Your brain is not used to it yet. But with practice, it becomes easier. Shadowing helps you in many ways. It helps you improve your listening. It helps you improve your speaking. It helps you speak more naturally. And it helps you think in English instead of your native language. Many learners study English for a long time, but still feel they cannot speak. This is because they only study grammar or vocabulary, but they do not train their speaking flow. Shadowing solves this problem. When you shadow, you learn English like music. You listen to the sound. You copy the sound. You repeat the sound. Slowly, your mouth learns English patterns. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The goal is not perfection. The goal is practice. Speak slowly. Listen carefully. Repeat as much as you can. Today is your start. Over the next 10 days, we are going to practice shadowing together step by step. Each day will have a simple topic. Each day will help you build your English skills in a natural way. On day 1, we will focus on the basics of shadowing. You will learn how to listen, how to repeat, and how to follow simple English sentences slowly and clearly. On day 2, we will practice daily routines. You will learn how to talk about your morning, your day, and your simple habits using easy sentences. On day 3, we will focus on greetings and introductions. You will learn how to say hello, how to introduce yourself, and how to start a simple conversation with someone new. On day 4, we will learn everyday shopping English. You will practice simple phrases for buying things, asking questions in a shop, and understanding prices. On day 5, we will practice travel English. You will learn basic sentences for airports, tickets, directions, and simple travel situations. On day 6, we will focus on restaurant English. You will learn how to order food, ask for a menu, and talk in simple restaurant situations. On day 7, we will practice small talk. You will learn how to talk about simple topics like weather, hobbies, and daily life in a friendly way. On day 8, we will focus on phone conversations. You will learn simple English for answering the phone, making calls, and asking basic questions. On day 9, we will practice workplace English. You will learn simple sentences used in office situations, meetings, and working with others. On day 10, we will do a full review. You will practice everything you learned in the previous days. You will feel more confident, more natural, and more comfortable using English. This 10-day journey is not about rushing. It is about steady progress. Even a few minutes of practice every day can make a big difference. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. If you stay with this process, your listening will improve, your speaking will improve, and your confidence will grow step by step. You can repeat each lesson as many times as you want. Repetition is very important in shadowing. Thank you for being here with English Pod Up. I am happy to guide you in this journey. If you find this helpful, you can continue with the next lessons in this 10-day shadowing series. You can also subscribe to stay updated and keep practicing with us every day. Now take a deep breath, relax, and get ready to start your shadowing practice.